Borsing Childrens Home recently received relief materials including food supplies, clothing and essential utility items from Shillong South MLA and State Minister Sanbor Shullai during a program held at the orphanage premises in Mawsmai, Sohra. The relief items were formally handed over to Pastor R. Bare in the presence of caretakers and staff members of the institution. Addressing the gathering, Sanbor Shullai recalled his earlier visit to the children's home at the beginning of the year and said he had then assured the inmates that he would return with assistance. He stated that due to his official engagements, he could not visit earlier, but expressed happiness at getting another opportunity to interact with the children and extend support to them. The minister informed that apart from food items, the consignment also included mattresses, bed sheets, blankets, water bottles and other articles required for the children's day-to-day needs. During the program, Pastor Bare reportedly appealed to the MLA to facilitate the construction of a hall for conducting vocational and skill-based training programs for children after completing their matriculation so as to help them become self-reliant before leaving the institution. Responding to the appeal, Sanbor Shullai assured that he would place the proposal before Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and would pursue the matter with the government. He further observed that institutions engaged in the care and rehabilitation of orphaned children deserved continued support, while stressing the important role such homes play in society.
Kanaka ski hapo kanaka home ka children's home na benda ka kanaka yingsa jungki kun kan tebe sendang di jungi di balong ki kun suan po kan cing alam jungi pastor reverend rocket bare iba la batai men wahe yang au ba kile kailang ki contemporary ke bele kailang ki mami kemat ya ka Jantia District Sport Association naka football bopo na moy por henday muspa. But kumta nagaliang jung ikurim jung iru adon keji adai bar kumta ranter te aji sisa kumbalaong dei pastor mentan haka negara republik dia kebeladem nagaliang government kilap ha yang abang naman ka flag hosting haka naka Shillong South but nagaliang district administration gila request yang abang ini awan ban visit ban wayon jungo ya kan children's home te hagi yon jungo ngele di sha sobha badi pastor berboro gitu kun serang bakan thei jungi ke bedar lang ne te gila yo ban ya sulok te kalau ong bangin sa ngala ai ka commitment bang serun kencing ajarap kat ka bangila te kala kam slam ho le sila mga tukon no ka session gidon do ski program giba pero tengah susah anu di te menta ka sila giding kurkujong ble po jalam jongi pastor reverend rocket bare tinggal yo ben pendep no ina kam ka basateng but ngasog bagalong genuine proposal ka ya kana ka Borsing Childrens Home Mawsmai Sohra akaba kidang don kamshu ya ka yaki kenja hall ki kenja extension hall karang baki kumelaong di pastor mentan bakin nang laban harin bikilalat metrik kila man continue yaki programs kumki trainings programs ki prepare ki vocational training mo prepare takrang ba nda kilong ki bla biang bla paka ki ban laban sa keder pada kiti jongki kini adalah chalis ni daga jengko bublai bakila berban yang kejar jong bakila berban yo ikam sengi ikam la jong bakai kini ya persang ruban yo ikam sorkar hukum tarter tengi adon kan lang ne daga jeng museum ni sukia ban ni sole ruba ngi di ban pai ya ke jeng kersan ngi jongi sukum kini ke ban kamme ya ke jeng harap mo haka jeng syam ke jongki sibat siman jengkem jungki ala ka jonga yeng bang so banai ngu nagaliang jongaru kamtam ya pastor ber pro ki member ki bala nadu ki por mensua ki bala yadon ya ka mensim jing so senai ka becengai ka bakila pli ku mi kana ki children's home krang bala amdan sa kumi pastor berkiu ki member juga palang pesaren nang na po Sohra jungi kini aja le channel kan mandi mano bandri ban sumare ki nomor ba platip ikun suat ki bomdan mano takini ki jing agar ku jong play teng soba ngan sara ya kan ka bodon kap me ya ka proposal nomor taban shina shu ya ka extension hall na banta jong ni ki kun ki jungi mangan sepen so shi minister personally ngan sari comment ngan sekran but accordingly ngasoba na kaleng government ru kariban ay ka special fund ngan ile stop mi ban champion ban kongo ya chimesa lengba ka chimesa development fund ban ay special fund na ban ka children's home tabana din juga ne tengah try na kaleng jong ngabat ki committee member ke jongi ngia don hang ne ki jing ai la ban long le skipum ki ba shuk sedang la kadang don ke kadang kalau jing sedang bat ngina yai ai thank ya ke jing kersan ya pi haji wi di ki jing don kami pastor ngia long very close kena ro bi don kam te kemut ba insis pentip kita ai don kami keluar ben keneri si jongi nomor berstruktur kalau very very genuine genuine kini ki kam le so senai ka boleh ru kurku yang ai api pada ka balang hi pro ko mo hi kini ki kena jungi ru tang nengi don kitiar ban ter di ki bangilai perbiang ru khau upan turela ka badon hang ne te kini ki jingbam ban te ka met ke jungki kan ka balai ka bakapu kan bakila ban kersan sebenarnya dan kami sedang aisu tegala lu kini ki jing kini water filter kini dot kamba makin yo ya kom ka baku bu suba ko bla thori pastor ni don kini ki blanket ka telang ru lawan ka kam kreat ki blanket ki bedsheet ki pilu cover kini ki sopti na badaki kena school cendrang ki sweater na badaki kena school gentai itu ki towel kita ki water botol por bhel school pio bandra kum go boku ben di school te ki kita hi bi don go por kum nyang la don gitu kita don ki biscuit ki bingila thiet ba kini abam ki ba compare gini biscuit kambang so ki ban te ga met ngom pi te kita ki bangin ya sam no mentamo to please bu